Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can comment on a Pinterest post. So I'm just going to find one to comment on. Let's see. Maybe maybe this one. And you're just going to go down, and as you can see, there is a comments tab over here. Press add a comment and press got it. There is a few reminders. Your comment help make Pinterest a safe and inspiring place. Remember to be kind, be purposeful, and be constructive. Press got it and add a comment. And I'm just going to write super adorable and press post. And that's it. Your comment will be on the post, and people can reply, like, and even say that my comment is helpful. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!